Hi guys, this is Dr. Neha Singh, marriage counselor at Dr. A.K.Jain's clinic. I'm back with a new video and today we're going to discuss why men fall asleep right after sex. This is a problem faced by many women in their relationship. So I'm going to tell you the reason why it happens. But before we dive into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you ever faced a situation where you just had the best sex in a while and turned out to see your man flat on the bed already snoring? Doesn't it bring out a completely different emotion in a fraction of seconds? Well, you might want to keep those emotions aside and see this video to figure out why exactly men fall asleep after sex. And to be honest, it's not completely their fault. Here are some of the reasons why men fall asleep right after sex. It's all in the chemistry. After orgasm, both men and women release the chemicals oxytocin, prolactin, gamma-aminobutyric acid (GABA) and endorphins. Prolactin relieves sexual arousal which makes him fall asleep, whereas oxytocin and endorphins are known to have a calming effect and relieve stress. When they all come together, it's basically a natural version of a sleeping pill, so he's in for a fantastic snooze. And why don't you get the heavy dosage of sleeping pill, you ask? Believe it or not, women don't necessarily orgasm during sex. So you might want to talk, but he will most definitely doze off. Pointing out the obvious. Sex during night, especially when you are already tired and exhausted from the day, will lead to sleep. Also, it does not take a genius to figure out that lying on your back signals to your body that it's time to sleep. So an alternative can be to try different positions or keeping the lights on during sex. They need time. So, as you know, men need a certain amount of time after one orgasm to perform again. It is called the refractory period. Sex can be exhaustive and men especially need time to rest before they can start again. This short period usually does lead to sleep since they are not sexually aroused at this point. Not into talking. Maybe it's time to accept it, girls, that your man may not be into talking much. Women usually like to process their experiences, hence their desire to talk after sex. If your man isn't a great communicator at the best of times, I think it's better to give up on the hope that he will have a heart-to-heart after sex. Holding his breath. Plenty of men tend to hold their breath from time to time while they are having sex. His rhythm becomes abrupt and the pulse intensifies. Therefore, there is lack of oxygen which contributes to the need to rest. Well, let me tell you a secret. If he's sleeping after sex, it's a good sign, for it only proves that orgasm was reached and everything went well. So you don't have anything to worry about. And if it comes to it, just wake him up and demand a cuddling session. That's all for now, guys. Hope you like the video. I'll be back with many more videos to solve your sex and marriage related issues. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.